Welcome back to my channel. Today, this is an exciting video for me. I'm going to be sharing my very first Mani-Me subscription box. When fall rolled around, I really loved this October Mani-Me box. So I definitely subscribed. I used a coupon code to get $5 off. And my first box was $20. They come packaged very nicely, very fun. You get your pineapple gummy. You will also get a free stamper and scraper. You get the crystal clear stamper scraper set. And also in the box, they put little like postcard notes in there. They give you a step-by-step little mini tutorial of a nail design idea. They also give you a full-blown kind of mani idea there. You also, in this October box, you get some of these nail protectors. I've never used these. They're kind of pricey, but you get 3 sheets of fall themed nail protectors. Very cute stuff. Everyone seems to really enjoy those. So far, like I said, I'm loving the box. You get 2 stamping polishes and 2 plates. So your stamping polishes come in a nice little box here, and they coordinate with the theme of the box. So you get a duochrome dark brown. It has a green duochrome to it, and really, like everyone says, this is called chestnut, by the way. This only really shows up in the bottle. It doesn't transfer too much when swatching or on the nails. And it doesn't show up great on black either. But still excited. I don't own any full-size maniology stamping polishes either, so for me it's kind of neat. I absolutely love this one personally because I like weird green shades. Pistachio. So it stamps really nicely. And you get 2 plates. I had to have this box because of the scarecrows, hands down, and the truck. No joke. Fall is my favorite season, but I absolutely love scarecrows. So you get, now I've already used these, so they're kind of cloudy. MXM 065. And I know you guys have seen these in like a million videos, but really cute stuff going on here. I'll show you a closer look in a minute. And the MXM 066. You get these really cute scarecrows, and you can mix and match their pants, their shirts, their hats. This is a layering plate as well. So I love the words as well. There's a lot of leaves. There's more wording, and I love plates that have designs or images mixed with wording as well. It's a nice thought out plate in my opinion. And there's like this quilty, sweatery looking kind of print on there. Once again, they're kind of cloudy. I already used them in 2 separate manis. So the first mani, I'm not satisfied with how this particular design came out, but testing. So I used a scarecrow, and I believe I used the wording. Now for today's mani that I have on, I used this plate, and there's that truck, a cute little scarecrow. There is all kinds of wording, images, there's these stamps. I love this. This is like scrapbooking kind of themed. I think that's really neat. There's all these beautiful images. So for my nails today, I'm actually wearing Mari Moon Hits nail polish. These are like an MTV thing. I don't know if that you can get these anymore, but trendy, and I would assume that if you can, they are going to be pricey. They were pricey when I found them, and they were out of circulation, and I love this so very much. Very beautiful. Now for the glitter that I have on top of it, literally kind of pairs and they go hand in hand. It's also a Hits polish, and it is called Borealis. so they kind of pair together. So I did a couple coats of each, and this is the Manicure. I used the welcome sign on my pinky. I'm not super in love with how that particular nail came out. I stamped on this one twice. Wasn't happy either time. I used the pumpkin that says pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love the background. The background color is so phenomenal. And I use a variety of polishes to fill it in. This one is like a leaf tag with the fall blocks stamped underneath it. So far I've used the welcome, this pumpkin here, this leaf up here, the fall blocks. This one is that daisy, and I stamped autumn vibes in white underneath it, which will probably show up in the pictures. So the daisy and autumn vibes. And for the thumb is probably my favorite, and I stamped the calendar, the October calendar, with a orange leaf. So the calendar and that leaf there, I took everything else off of it and just did that leaf. So that's the manicure I did for my October Mani Me box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And stay tuned because I will be doing some looks, full-blown nail tutorials on these plates. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching.